I only see what I don't know. Times when having a good time. Having a good time. I'm out working. I'm out money. 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 I'm out working. I'm out working. When it's all about the plan, I go back to sleep, 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 when I told you that I wouldn't last forever. When I said I would never torn down ancient gold mine, find a new time to see the others in hide all the cotton, find a new begotten, wonder where the time went, contemplate the day spent living on I was dying, living on wonder how I went on. Oh my god! Through the storm days I am blessed out wicked I never stop to think about the lessons we set mine. Or let's go. Yesterday I was fine. Trying to keep on good time.
Bring it all, the nine. Oh, wrap all in twine. Sit back and rewind. Love's a good time.
done explaining. This is because I can't be hurt. Made your mistakes and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can't be hurt? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. This is what happens when you leave it to somebody else. If you want it done right, you should just do it yourself. You oversaturate your world with nothing but machines. You might make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me. And now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that rips your insides out. That's something I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? We have a lot more in common than you ever come with. It's like we're the same person, me and you. We both don't know what we can do. This is because I can't be hurt. Made any mistakes and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can't be hurt? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can't be hurt? Made any mistakes and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because I can't be hurt? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you. Talk about throw line. Your creator built up a stuff.
suppose I should have guessed your rhymes will mean nothing. The things in the pan is only known for Friday night funky lyrical serial killer. You're just a sniveling wimp, so this rabbit will leave you scooped up. Cause tricks are for kids. You know the power that you've harvested can actively be harnessed. You're just tasked to be the auditor's distraction. But no Athens like a shot and body bag, so I'll be thought of as the man behind the slaughter of the serve inside the bar.
There you go.
When I try,
There you are.
looks like you push all my curtains to the side. To the side. Call me fighter, on you. Call me lover,
watching and stay tuned for the next.